In this video, we will cover all about filters and most importantly, we will take a live engine room round, having a look at all the filters and then sharing my own personal experiences of mistakes that I made while cleaning filters. What is a filter? A filter is a porous device for removing impurities or solid particles from a liquid or a gas passing through it. Filters are being used in our day-to-day lives as well. Example, while sieving flour, while making tea, an air filter fitted in Honda Activa, or an oil filter fitted in a bike. Filters are fitted on board ship in all the systems like fuel oil system, lube oil system, sea water system, fresh water system, steam system, compressed air line. Filters can be of different sizes, ranging from being huge to being as small as the size of a finger. Filters are not just differentiated in the terms of their size, but also in the terms of their mesh size. That is, the whole diameter of the filter through which fluid passes. The mesh size of a filter can be as big as 5 mm to as small as 10 microns.
Now, let us discuss in detail.
To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respect on ship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं. And for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship. अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो M&D Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos. Watch these videos as per rank and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.
Jai Mata Di. Today I am going to talk about filters, guys. We can find a lot of dirt, a lot of mud, a lot of particles which we do not want to get into your system. So basically, filter is something which is separating things which you need and things which you don't need. So we have got filters fitted in seawater system on our ship, fresh water system on our ship, on our fuel oil system, lube oil system, compressed air system and steam line system. And guys, these filters can be of huge size, big size, and then they can be as small as my finger. So matlab on board ship and I would say around 100 filters on board my ship. इससे ज़्यादा हो सकते, कम नहीं हो सकते guys. Everywhere and anywhere we have got filters, and cleaning of filters is one of the most important part. They say if you want to analyze the health of a system, analyze through the filter. कैसे? Suppose करो you are doing the lube oil system filter of a generator and you find lot of metal particles there. मतलब भैया bearing चला गया कोई. Identify करो, find out करो. आप सी वाटर सिस्टम करें and you find a lot of rust and all. मतलब पाइपलाइन पूरी रस्टेड हो रखी है भैया, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Maybe it is getting corroded badly. Fuel oil system, you find a lot of kachra coming in. That means the fuel oil tanks have become dirty. If it is sludgy material, that means the fuel oil is not of good quality. So health of a system can be made out by just cleaning the filter and ensuring what has happened. Let us talk about filters, because आज जब मैं filter की बात कर रहा हूँ तो first of all understand one thing. Filter can be fitted on the suction side. See, if the flow is from here, this is the suction, this is the discharge. So filter can be fitted on the suction side. When it is fitted on the suction side, it can also be called a strainer, guys. Okay. अब जब हमें सक्शन साइड में फिट करते हैं, व्हाट इज द पर्पस? बिकॉज वी वांट टू सेफगार्ड द पंप. हम नहीं चाहते कि एनीथिंग डर्ट और पार्टिकल शुड एंटर इनटू द पंप साइड, पंप केसिंग एंड डैमेज इट. सो वी आर सेविंग द पंप ओवर हियर. सो नाउ इफ योर प्रेशर वाज 1 bar say, the suction pressure, and if this pressure is dropping, maybe this filter is getting choked. So you will get an idea over here. Okay, if this pressure P1 is decreasing, then maybe your filter is getting choked. Fine. Now there is another filter. Sometimes these filters are fitted on discharge side of the pump. Why? Because in this case it is not important to protect the pump, but it is more important to protect the equipment where it is going. Normally this is the case of main engine. Finally, when the main engine when the fuel is going to the main engine, it passes through a filter over here after passing through the pump. So यहाँ पर when this filter is getting choked, what will happen if this filter is getting choked? This pressure will increase. भैया जाने नहीं देगा. The pressure over here will decrease, but the pressure over here will increase. So filter is getting choked or not, you will come to know कि उससे पहले कितना pressure है and after कितना pressure है. Differential in between. Say this is a flow. Oil is coming from here, entering inside, then leaving from here. So we have got a pressure gauge fitted over here, and we have got a pressure gauge fitted over here. Now the difference. Say this is P1 and this is P2. P2 minus P1 will tell us what is the condition of the filter. You getting point, my guys? This is the most important part which tells us कि हमें filter करना है. Now when it comes to filter can be big, huge. ये C-chest filter है guys over here. This is the C-chest filter. I'll show you down below. Huge filters. इसके अंदर यहाँ पर हम लोग भी put MGPS anodes. यहाँ पर एक copper anode और aluminium anode लगा रहता है. That I'll discuss later. Big huge casing. ये this is the inlet coming. The water enters inside over here and then leaves over here. And this is all mesh over here. Fine. Now, whatever filter you do, if it's a single filter, कि भैया एक ही filter align में है, then what will happen? You have to shut this wall. You have to shut this wall. First of all, you have to isolate. कि भैया filter के अंदर no water should come. Then you open this vent, guys. This is very very important to open this vent cock. And if there is pressure inside, water will keep coming. If the water has stopped, that means there is no pressure inside. Now you can open the casing. There have been instances in the past. What happens is लोगों ने चेक नहीं करा वेंट से खोल के, अरे वॉल बंद कर दिया, filter will I can open. They have opened the casing and engine room has flooded because this wall was not holding. So water was still going in. So depressurizing the filter is very very important. Opening the vent and checking कि भैया अंदर pressure तो नहीं है is very very important. So always you have to ensure by opening the vent कि ये भैया काम कर रहा है. After cleaning the filter, putting back, you have to purge the filter. मतलब you have to ensure that there is no air inside. So what you do is you keep this wall shut and you open the inlet wall. What happens? There is full air inside. So when water comes, it displaces the air. So water comes in, air goes out from here. Water comes in, air goes out from here. Water comes in, air is going out from here. Then there is one instance when there is only water coming. That means there is only water inside. And then we shut this vent wall. Copy it? And then we open this wall. Why? Because we do not want any air entrapment into the system. Because this air might get sucked by a centrifugal pump. It might lose suction, which is not good for the pump at all. So while opening the filter, we have to ensure that it is depressurized. Vent is important. But after closing the filter, ensuring that the system has been completely purged, vented, then also this vent is very very important. Copy it, guys? Now, ये तो हो गया when there is only one filter fitted in the line. I'll show you that. But there are some places like main engine fuel oil system, fuel oil purifier system. वहाँ पर क्या है कि you want अभी यहाँ पर हमें मुझे इस system पे काम करना है. I have to isolate this. So I have another C chest somewhere else fitted, low C chest. So I can put that in use, right? But over in this main engine fuel oil supply pump is running, and I want this main engine because main engine is running. I don't want supply pump to stop. So what I do is I have two filters simultaneously fitted over here. So what happens is, now pump is running, suppose this filter is becoming dirty, I just take over of this handle and change over. And I put this filter in use. So what happens is, now I can clean this filter. My full system is working properly. In purifier, feed pump, everywhere we do this only. But when we are doing this thing, guys, always remember one thing, and that is safety. When I was a junior engineer, I made a big mistake once. What I did was, मुझे फोर्थ इंजीनियर ने बोला रे जाके फिल्टर को साफ करना है. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज, दिस इज अ हैंडल ओवर हियर व्हिच यू कैन सी. इसको हम टर्न करते हैं. सो दिस हैंडल आई हैव टर्न्ड इट ओवर. ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन वी टर्न द हैंडल ओवर, सपोज व्हेन द हैंडल इज दिस साइड नॉर्मली, दैट मींस दिस फिल्टर इज इन यूज. व्हेन द हैंडल इज दिस साइड, दैट मींस दिस फिल्टर इज इन यूज. ओके. नाउ हाउ वंस आई हैव चेंज्ड ओवर, दैट मींस दिस फिल्टर इज इन यूज, आई कैन क्लीन दिस फिल्टर. But still I have to ensure whether this filter is depressurized or not. I open the vent. I have to open the vent and check whether oil is coming or not. If oil is not coming, then only I should open the casing. But as a junior engineer, nobody explained me in such a way. And I was stupid. I am still stupid, guys. So what I did was, मैंने इधर करा और बजाय कि opening this filter, I started opening the same filter which was in use without checking from the vent. As soon as I opened slightly, full splash of oil, hot oil started coming. I did not know what to do, guys. I immediately again changed over to this. But by that time, all oil, there was spray all over. It was 80 degrees, 90 degrees oil, which was not good. Luckily, I did not get any damages or any burns. So always ensure that your vent से आप चेक करो कि वेदर सिस्टम इज depressurized or not. When these filters जो ये डंडे लगे पड़े हैं, see these dandas have got indications over here. What does this indication mean? This oil is coming, it is going into this filter and then going out. When you keep this danda like this over here, and then this will become like this. This means this oil is coming over here and going over here. Okay? And there are chances, I'll show instances where we can put both the filters into use, and we can make it like this. Oil is coming, both the filters in use. Center like this, going into both the sides and then going out. Okay guys, so this is what you have to see. I'll show you those indications as well. So I'll show you two filters working in tandem. I'll show you one big filter. I'll show you how to make sure how filter works. Okay, but another one thing which you have to know is you have to ensure about this packing, this blue part. You can see everywhere, you can see this black part over here. This can be a O-ring or it can be a gasket fitted. Why? Bhaiya, this is pressurized. We do not want oil to come out from here or water to leak from here. That can only happen if you have got a O-ring or a gasket fitted over here properly. So you have to ensure whenever you fit back the filter, you have to check the condition of the O-ring or the gasket, whether it is in good condition or not. If it is not, you have to change it, you have to replace it. That is what you have to do. Otherwise, aap box up to kar doge, it will start leaking from here. Got it guys? This is what you have to know. And there is another kind of filter that is called auto backwash filter. उसको मैं जल्दी से क्लीन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. You don't have to clean it frequently. It automatically keeps cleaning itself. That I am not going to discuss today. Maybe in some other class. Today we are going to just talk about this. Copy it. Jai Mata.